Now, let's see how we can update a record using Eloquent. So let's go to our update data. Let's comment this out. In here, first thing that we have to do is to create a variable with any name you want. So I'm just going to name it item. Now in here you have to call your model. So student model, then colon colon. Now in here you have two options. Either you can use where id is equal to, for example, 55, then first, or you can do find find just 55. Both ways are normal. You can do any way you want, either to use where with the first or find. Both of them are same. Then after that you will have to type item, the same thing that we did in while adding. Then you have to mention the name and the value. So I want to change it to, for example, updated student. And if you want to change more columns, you can add them also. So for example, I want to change the age to 10. And if you want to add more columns, just write it. For now, for our in our case, I think it's enough. So I want to update it. So I will say item update. Let's save. Let's go to update. So let's go to our web.php. In here, let's copy this. Let's go to our browser and put it here. So enter, updated successfully. Now let's go to our database. Let's select here. We are id is equal to 55. So now as you guys can see, the name and the age, both of them has been changed. So this is how we can update using Eloquent. First we have to create a variable, then assign it to the model, then we have to type our values, and finally we have to say update. This will update our record inside the database.